Have you ever had difficulties transferring data from your old device to your new device? We'd like to introduce an easy and faster way to transfer data using our Smart Switch application. You can select one of 4 options below depending on your device and preference. Number 4. iOS to Galaxy through iCloud. Welcome to this video guide, which will introduce you to the Samsung Smart Switch application and teach you how easy it is to transfer data through iCloud from an iOS device to your new Galaxy device. Please keep in mind that this method is only possible if the operating system version of your old device is iOS 5.0 or higher. Please upload all of your old device data onto the iCloud and download the Smart Switch onto your new device. You can download the Smart Switch application from Samsung Galaxy apps or the Google Play Store. Search for Smart Switch. Click Agree to the terms and conditions. Then you can install the Smart Switch application. Please remember that Galaxy S7 and 7 Edge devices have a Smart Switch function preloaded. When you enter Smart Switch, you can see terms and conditions. Please click Agree. Then you can see a screen to select type of operating system like iOS, Android, or BlackBerry. Please select iOS and click Start. Please enter your iCloud ID and password and log in. You can see data list uploaded in iCloud. Then select data list you'd like to transfer and click Import. Please click OK for Wi-Fi connection, then your new device is downloading the data list from iCloud. If your device is not connected with Wi-Fi, a pop-up message will appear indicating that it could result in additional charges. It may take some time to transfer data depending on the data volume you want to transfer. After quick data transfer, you can view all transferred data and volume of it. That's it. You have now learned how to use Samsung Smart Switch application and transfer data through the iCloud from your old iOS device to your new Galaxy device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please also see our other videos.